Okay, cycle 1, week 24, our very last week. We made it, guys. All right, so for math, we're gonna do the identity law. I'm gonna have a mirror in class, and because when you look at a mirror, it's like looking at yourself. It's your identity, and it's a mirror reflection. So I also have a little song, and I'm gonna kind of incorporate the mirror into the song. So we're gonna say the identity law for addition states A plus 0 equals A, cha-cha-cha. The identity law for multiplication states A times 1 equals A, hooray! And I'm gonna hold up, when it says equals A, both times I'm gonna hold up the mirror to like maybe a block or something, or maybe to each of the students I'll bring the mirror around. Latin is the same. What are some markings on the globe? We're gonna do hand motions, and then we're just gonna do show me, tell me games in class. So we're gonna say latitude, longitude, and longitude, it has the word long in it. So when you think of longitude, think of long, like this person is really long. Prime meridian, it's just a line of longitude that they signified to mean like 0 degrees, so that they could do the degrees from there. So we are gonna say the prime meridian, like it's the prime minister of all of the longitude or something like that. For degrees, we're gonna go like this, because there's degrees going each way across the globe, north and south and east and west. And then for northern hemisphere, we're gonna go like this, northern hemisphere. And for southern hemisphere, we're gonna say southern hemisphere. Okay, for linking verbs, we're gonna say stay. Like you're saying that to a dog, like stay. Spell, like something smells terrible. Spell. Grow. All right, so for timeline, the presidents, I'm gonna hold up the cards as we sing, and then maybe we'll march in place or clap as we sing the president's song. Tell me about the Portuguese Empire. So for hand motions, it's gonna be, Napoleon's gonna be short. So we're gonna say, when Napoleon threatened the Portuguese Empire, King John VI, and I'm gonna go like this, and on the map, here's Portugal, this little country right here, fled to Brazil, and I'm gonna go like this, or I might even draw like a dashed line and kind of point, say, fled to Brazil. His son, Dom Pedro I, declared Brazil independent in 1822. And those are gonna be the hand motions. Okay, for geography, I'm gonna do some storytelling. So we're actually not gonna, I feel like the geography is pretty simple this week, so I'm actually not gonna use a song. I'm gonna go ahead and tell a story. So we're gonna be concentrating in this area up here. And here's the Atlantic Ocean, and we're in the North Atlantic Ocean. So let's go north. Up here. And the story I'm telling you about is about a rubber ducky named Iceland. And if you look at Iceland, it's orange, and it kind of has the shape of a rubber ducky. So we're gonna call this rubber ducky Iceland. There was a small, cute little rubber ducky in the North Atlantic Ocean named Iceland. And he was terrified, absolutely mortified, of this giant tornado called Greenland. The tornado was coming closer and closer, and he was so scared. His only hope of survival were the Strait brothers. And these two areas are the Strait brothers. You had Davis Strait to the right, or on the left, to the west. And then you have Denmark Strait to the right or to the east. And together they helped stop the vicious tornado. The Davis Strait pulled him over more towards the west. And the Denmark Strait pushed him away from the small rubber ducky Iceland. And to this day, Greenland is stuck in between the two Strait brothers. And the adorable rubber ducky Iceland is safe in the North Atlantic Ocean. And that's what we're gonna do. All right, it's been a great year, and thanks for bearing with me.